Hello everyone. So we are going to start with a demo video. So meet Arjun. So he just arrived at University of North Texas as an international student on F1 visa, and he is very smart. He is prepared. But within his first 2 weeks, he hits a wall that every international student knows. He needs to open a US bank account. So what happens now is, it may look simple, but he needs to know which bank accepts F1 students and what documents are needed for that. Is it the just passport or anything else are needed? So he might also need an SSN. What if he does not have one yet? So he Googles it. First things, what he can do is Google. So he can get five different answers from five different websites here. So he can also directly call the bank. They can put him on hold. So now he can also ask large language models like ChatGPT. So ChatGPT also does not keep proper answers in these type of cases. It might hallucinate, and it might also ask additional details that he does not know. ChatGPT might ask him an assassin at first, which he does not have yet. So he needs to be briefed from the initial phase, like what documents are needed. So that is the problem that we are targeting to solve. So not only yours, this is the problem of every international student. So we built Clarity, which solves this problem. So this is the homepage of our website. So Clarity is a plain language assistant that answers real world questions about rules, documents, and benefits. It is sourced from official websites with the source shown on every single answer, and an honest handoff to real human when the stakes are too high for an AI to decide. So it is not just another chatbot that knows everything and makes things up. So it is exactly opposite. A system architecturally designed so it cannot hallucinate. Right now, Clarity covers three of the most common journeys for F1 students in Texas. So first one is opening US bank account, and second one is getting an SSN or Texas driver's license, and third one is what benefits are there for him or her as an international student. So let's start with the demo. So let's help Arjun. He wants to open US bank account. We'll just select US open a US bank account here, and the system asks, do you have an social security number? He might not have, so let's put no here. Do we have US address? I think he may have US address. So what is the question that we can ask is how to open US bank account as an international student with F1 visa. So let's just put this. Yeah. So here it has shown answer. Yeah. So checklist are, first of all, gather a primary photo ID and secondary ID. So for this documents needed this. And it has also attached the source from which the data is extracted. This Bank of America. And all of these things are there. So yeah, his problem is solved. He is getting data from the official sources. Yeah. And it has also shown multiple steps that he has to follow in order to get his bank account. So yeah, now we'll just put a random thing here. So I can show that it does not give hallucinated answers. So it might be, how can I work for more than 40 hours as international student in Texas. Will get answer. Yeah. So if we ask this type of questions, which might also be illegal, and as international students can't work more than 20 hours. It is saying that I don't have a verified answer for that, and it has also given the official sources that we can contact to know this type of information. So yeah, so basically, clarity does not guess. It does not make something up. It says I don't have verified. So for any because for an international student. So we'll talk about how clarity works under the hood and how it prevents hallucination at an architecture level. So step one, curated knowledge base. We don't let the AI search the internet. Instead, we build a curated corpus of verified passages only from the official government websites or universities' own offices. And the second one is retrieval. When Arjun asks a question, the system uses a local embedding model to find the most relevant passages from that curated corpus. And the third one is threshold gate. Is that score below our confidence threshold? The system stops right there, no generation. And the fourth one is grounded. We have used Grok's free API, and the model that we are using for this is Llama 3.3 7db. And we have used retrieval augmented generation technology here that makes hallucination architecturally impossible. So let's talk about the vision. Right now, Clarity is built for F1 students at University of Texas. We started here because I am also a student studying here as from Nepal as international student. I had direct access to verified data from our university's own offices and the relevant government portals. But our engine is completely persona agnostic. Adding a university, new country, or new program means adding verified data to the corpus, zero code changes. Our roadmap. Expand to more universities. It might be in US or anywhere in the world. Uh, so main target is any international student from any country must be able to get verified and legit information. So they don't have to explore multiple websites or get hallucinated response from different large language models. Yes. So we did not build the AI that knows everything. We built the one that you can actually trust. Thank you.